There's a powerful video in China. The voice translation is called Ghost Hand. In Ghost Hand, you can click on the translated video voice. A box will ask if there is other noise, if the voice is heard clearly, and if the accent is standard. If yes, you can continue to upload the video locally. Upload the video audio translation. Here, you can also select Chinese to English. But there are many other languages. In this, you can also have different voices. For example, the voice of a key female character sounds good. By selecting it, you can simultaneously generate subtitles. For instance, if I want yellow letters. After selecting, export and submit. It will display success, but you have to wait a while because it needs to queue for the waiting process. There are plenty of things to play with. Ghost Hand is better for shorter videos. It supports a maximum of 6 minutes. It does not currently support linking. Please shorten the following sentence by 52%. But its video translation function is already very powerful.